Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we're doing a tidy up on this Range Rover today. Beautiful condition. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got the usual damage again down here. Can you see? I'll just pan it over. What tends to happen with these Range Rovers is the finish isn't quite so good on these, so it happens all the time where it tends to, you see little tiny cracks. Look, so we're going to fill all these cracks basically after the usual prep work. And then we'll recolour this and you won't see it. It'll be pretty much back to showroom condition again. One of my favourite sayings. So look down here as well. We've got two colours to match. We've got the beige and we've got the black. Okay, so you can see all down here, look. Again, superficial damage, little bits here. If we go up to here as well, you can see there, look. So we're going to fill all these little cracks in and get it as smooth as this, look. Okay, and then we're going to mask all this off. And then we're going to do what we call colour restoration. Okay, so we've got to mask all this off, but this is only the first part. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. And if you want to book us, 07904 640 389. And after video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi TikTokers, welcome back. It's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. And we finished this Range Rover now. And if you have a look at it, it's come out absolutely superb. Can you see where it was all damaged over here? Look, this is all like brand new now. If you go back, look, you can see. Okay, nice finish on there as well, so it'll last a lot longer than what it did before. And if you look at the seat, absolutely amazing. Look at that. Two colours, black. It was all damaged down here. Look, you can see now. Look, absolutely bang on. You can stick this in the showroom, as I always say, and have a look at the bolster here as well. Look, okay, that's all nice. You've just got natural creases now, and over here this has all been sprayed and finished as well. Okay, so if you look at it from here, absolutely bang on. So I'll take it from this side as well. There you go. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389. And bye for now, folks.